If we live according to these words, we really would not sin at all. We really believe. We would really live as Christians. But again, we allow ourselves to be deluded over and over and over again. So we must renew ourselves over and over and over again. Everything you do should be for your salvation. Deny those things that you know are wrong and live for Christ. So don't deny Christ, whether it be by your attitude or by your priorities or by indulging in things that you know are wrong or unclean or by fear of another's opinion. You know that there is meaning to this phrase as well. When people are afraid to show that they are Christians. Some people think that you have to be crazy to be Orthodox, too strict about fasting, prayer, or whatever. You make the sign of the cross. Why? All of these questions provide an opportunity to show our Orthodox faith. We should never be ashamed. God has enlightened us and planted us in his vineyard, and we must bear fruit. My brothers and sisters, deny those things that are not of God. Struggle to take up your cross. The great high priest, Jesus Christ, struggled with his cross as well, and he was victorious. His cross was much larger than ours. His cross included our cross, and he has already made us capable. He has already walked the path. All we need do is follow him. To him be honor and worship and glory, now and ever, and on the days of the ages. Amen. Christ is amongst us.
This has been Father Nicholas from St. Victorious, Veneration, Church of Lakeland. I've been involved with the clergy brotherhood for the last 3 years. I've done